How to configure Scan to Email Server on a Brother device. Please note that before this function can be configured, it is necessary to connect your Brother device to an SMTP server. To learn how to do this, please click the link on your screen where I will take you through the entire setup process. Let's get started. Open a web browser and type the IP address of your Brother device in order to access its internal web server. Then type its admin password and click the login button. Find and click the scan option. Then click the Scan to Email Server option. Some Brother devices include their SMTP settings as part of the Scan to Email Server configuration page. Please ensure that you already have these configured. If you do not and would like some help, please refer to my SMTP setup video. A link to it is in the description. When you have done this, decide how you want your Brother device to present your scanned files, including type, quality, and if you want to password protect them. Decide if you want to enable the transmission XMIT report from the report drop-down list. What does this do? When enabled, it prints the following page each time Scan to Email Server is used successfully. If there is a problem, on the other hand, during transmission, it prints this instead. There are three options: on, error only, which means it will only print a report when an error is detected, or off. When used alongside one of the device's security features, such as Secure Function Lock or Active Directory authentication, this setting automatically loads each user's unique email address into the Scan to Email Server function. When you are ready, click the Submit button. It is now recommended that you test your settings by enabling both of these options. And typing an email address that your Brother device can use to send a test email to. When you are ready, click the Submit button. Your device will now attempt to test your settings. If the test was successful, you should have received a test email and see this message. If you see this, or a similar looking message instead, it means that there is a problem with your SMTP configuration. If you would like help on how to diagnose this issue, please click the link on your screen where I will make some SMTP troubleshooting recommendations. Thank you.